Today I will show you how to connect the Victron inverter to our BSL battery. Remove the bottom cover of the Victron inverter. Connect the grid live wire to the L port of ACN and the grid neutral wire to the N port of ACN. Connect the load live wire to the L port of AC out 1 and the load neutral wire to the N port of AC out 1. Connect the power cable of the battery and inverter. Connect the positive terminal of the battery to the inverter. Connect the negative terminal of the battery to the inverter. Connect the gray communication line of the color control platform to VE CAN and the blue communication line to VE bus. Next, connect the power supply lines of the color control platform to the 24-volt power supply positive and negative port. Get the communication cable, connect one end of the cable to the CAN of the battery, and connect the other end to the inverter V CAN. Can set the dip switch to 1. Turn on the battery switch. Turn on the inverter switch. Turn on the grid. Turn on the power supply to the control platform. Get the communication line between the battery and the computer, and connect one end of the line to the RS-232 port, and the other end to the USB interface of the computer. Open the host computer software. Click Open Serial, Start Monitor. Enter password 123456 at the user prompt to gain permission. Click System Setting and click Red in Inverter Protocol Setting. Select Victron as the CAN protocol, then click Write. After writing, click Red to check whether the writing is successful. Now the 485 protocol is selected as Victron and the writing is successful. Enter the menu page. Click Settings and select Services. Select VE CAN port in Services. Then click to check CAN bus BMS. Return to the device list. You can see the information such as battery status and SOC if the communication is available. Next, we will introduce how to set up charging and discharging. Click on the right button to enter the device list. Enter the second, inverter option, then select Switch. In the Switch menu, select the second option, Charger Only. You can see that the battery is now charging. The process of connecting the Victron inverter to our BSL battery is complete. For more videos, please follow our channel to watch.